Good morning, everyone. Want to give you a quick update. We do have some videos coming out, and I do apologize that it's been so long. This summer we were just so hammered with mobile blasting that we did not have time when we did do powder coating to really record it, because we were doing so many projects at once. It was hard for me since I'm the one doing the powder coating. But we have big changes for next spring. So Greener Blast Technologies, the guys that did the collaboration with us and 10X, I'll put the video up here somewhere. Check that video out, it was good. I apologize for that. Yeah, the sun, sorry. Us and 10X, so that will be up. They were the ones who built our wet blast system. Actually, they build wet blast systems. So during our collaboration talks, they explained their system and the advantages of it and everything. So we went and had one built. We've been running it for the past 2 years, and it's been awesome. It's an awesome system. We haven't had no breakdowns. Customer service with these guys are awesome. Well, these guys are not only wet blast systems. Anything blasting you need, you can get from them. Hoses, safety equipment. They actually are, I believe, distributors of some dry blast systems, such as Smith's pots and stuff, unless that's changed, and it could have, but I don't believe it has. They also build dryers for dry blast systems. As a lot of you guys know, those dryers out there for dry blast systems are so freaking expensive. Well, these guys build them and keep them at a reasonable rate, so that's awesome. So right now, they are working on possibly putting another trailer together for us. We're in the process of getting a compressor, 375 CFM Deucing compressor. They are rebuilding a pot. As a lot of you guys know, those pots out there, 8-10 grand, say 3.5. They come with everything, but it's not like everything that's high end. They basically have the lower end stuff built in these pots. So what Bob and Bobby are doing is they are taking an older pot, blasting it down, powder coating it, and rebuilding it with some of the best stuff on it, so that we're gonna have great equipment. So they're gonna put that together. So like I said, they already have the pot. They're gonna be rebuilding it. They're gonna be building a dryer. We are picking up the compressor here in the next couple days, I believe. And then it's just a fact of me getting the money together to purchase a trailer and then have them do the trailer before spring. So in the spring, we should be all set. Can't say enough for this company, Greener Blast Technologies. I'll put their link to their YouTube up here and also their website. Check them out. Like, if you want to move above just regular shops, I mean, even if you want shop stuff, they can help you out with that. But even with the bigger stuff, one of the things that I always say is, if you go out and look at other companies, for example, and I know I'm getting into the weeds here a little bit and I'm already pushing 4 minutes. There's another company out there that builds systems. If you do a search for their systems, you can find them all over the place, secondhand, like everywhere secondhand. Then you take Greener Blast Technologies and look for their system, and they sell a shitload of these systems, but you'll notice they're not everywhere being resold, and there's a reason they're not being resold. They look at it as if you're gonna do something, do it right. If you try to make a wet and dry system, blast system, you're not able to make it a perfect wet or a perfect dry. You're able to get kind of somewhere in the middle, where these companies like Smith's that do dry blast system, they do a good dry blast. And Greener Blast Technologies, who does a wet blast system, they do a real good wet blast system. Their system is actually a slurry. It doesn't mix it in the lines, you know, water and media in the lines. It actually is a slurry that comes out, which is more efficient. And also you don't waste as much media. But besides that, if you want to know any more about that, just get a hold of me on my Facebook, and that's down in the descriptions, and I can go over some more stuff. Thank you for a lot of you guys that have been supporting me. I still get a shitload of messages a day on Facebook, Messenger, with questions and stuff. So we are still there, even though we haven't been putting out much videos. If you have questions about equipment or questions about powder coating or anything, just let us know. We actually just had a new powder coating company move into the area, where for the longest time I've been the only one here. I actually reached out to them to touch base with them and go and check out their equipment, because I strongly believe working together is a way to go. There's a lot of people out there. You don't have to be one of those old school standoff people that are like, hey, you got to do the same work as me. I don't want nothing to do with you. I don't want to help you. I'm always there to help and support anybody, even if they are local. So besides that, yeah, just look out for the update as we go along. I'll try to have them guys send me pictures and videos so I can kind of update you guys with pictures and videos as we go, so you can see the progression of it. And then of course when we go down and pick it up, or if they bring it up, I don't know which way that's going to go yet, because we need to get some PyroBlast media from them. We ran out at the end of last season, so I need to get another pallet of that. Again, the PyroBlast media that they have, it's a garnet byproduct, so it's a mineral, so it's environmentally friendly, and it's as hard as a garnet because it's a byproduct of it. So yeah, okay guys, I do have a couple videos coming out. We have I think fire hydrant video coming out, and also a bird bath video maybe. I don't know. We have so much going on, but we have shut down for the season, so we're going to take on little projects. But okay guys, we're pushing 7 minutes, so we'll get that over with. Again, shout out to Greener Blast Technologies. If you need anything or advice on creating or building anything, they are not in it for the money. They're a family owned company. It's a father and son, and they'll give you their honest opinions. I've had times where I've wanted something that's kind of expensive, and they're like, you can do just as good with this, and it was less money. So trust them wholeheartedly. Great guys, and I always look at them as a sponsor. They don't give me money and stuff like that, but anything I do, we are creating a new website too. That should be coming out in the next couple months. And I always put them down as a sponsor, because to me, with all the advice they give me and all the guidance they give me with things that I don't know, that's more value than the dollar amount any day of the week. So I always put them down as a sponsor, but it's not a paid sponsor. It's a knowledge sponsor as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, hopefully in the next month here, I'll get those other 2 videos out, and we'll keep you updated on the progression of our new dry mobile blast system. Have a good holidays and a Merry Christmas, guys.